Good morning, fourth graders. Sorry I couldn't be there today, but I wanted to share with you the work that you're going to be doing today, which is going to be almost trying to complete your Google Slides presentations. I know some of the people in Mr. Jones's class have completed it, so my hope is that you can either help other students out, or you could maybe do some blogging on KidBlog. So the work that you're going to be doing in your Google Slides presentation, you should have all your images in there by now. If you don't, you really need to get those in there today. Just quickly get the images in there, and then you're going to work today, if you have the images, to kind of edit them in there. So the editing is going to be making sure that things are aligned. So if you remember here, we're going to make sure that the pictures are lined up, right? So I'm looking here, and now it's lined up here, and it's lined up this way. That one's good. I go up here. I want to make sure, like, okay, this looks kind of cool over here. I can move it over here, and I might look at it for each slide, kind of put it on present and see what it looks like. So this looks like it's kind of ready to go. I can hit escape. Energetic looks good. When I come down here to my new ones that I'm just doing, like blogging, right now, I'm going to want to, I want to drag it, make it a little bit bigger. So I'm a blogger. I need to put the A word in there for like a blogger. I also might want to, I'm going to make sure this is kind of even. So where's the center? We're trying to find that center. There's the center, and there's the center there. Center and center, good to go. So that's there. So I might want to make the background, maybe I want to make the background orange. Let's see how that comes out. Or, a lighter color. Let's see. Not bad. I mean, it gives it a little bit of color. Maybe I'll go a little bit darker on the orange. Let's see over here. I could always pick up. Maybe I'll do a gradient. I like the gradient. So we can do like this. Let's see how this looks. Not bad. Pops a little bit. Okay, so I want to make sure that each slide, remember when you're doing this, this is not about what you like. This should not be a my favorites, here are my interests, here are my, no. This, if you read it, each of these is like, I am a teacher, I'm a prankster, I'm energetic. Like, these are my identities. I am a Mets fan, right? I am someone I am scared of snakes. These are the identities. So when I ask you, like, who you are, I'm this, I am that, I'm this. These are all your identities. When you're thinking about it, also, a lot of you have your interests. Like, are you also, like, I put down my nationalities. You should have that down there. So I think these are the ones that I'm adding onto, but like, I'm Irish, I'm Italian. So I know many of you are Indian, or you're Asian and different from different countries. Put that in there. What nationality, what religion are you? Are you a brother? Are you a sister? Are you a son? Are you a daughter? Those need to go in there as well, because those are your identities that have to do with your family. Are you a grandchild? Put those in there as well. My hope is that we spend this week, and next week is the last week that we would be ready to go and present the week after. So please work diligently, focus, get a lot of work done, and think about making yourself a plan of action when you're doing it. Like, what's my goal today, and try to follow through on that goal. All right. Have a great day. And you can access any information on this on the Google Classroom. Okay. Adios.